15 Outdoor Woodworking Projects for Beginners. You don't have to be an expert woodworker or own specialty tools to take on one of these 15 outdoor woodworking projects for beginners. Every one of the simple projects included here features step-by-step plans and tips for success. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Easy Timber Bench. If you have some experience with power tools, you'll have this timber bench built in just a few hours, though staining it will take a couple of hours more. All materials are readily available at home centers. 2. Garden Arbor. This combination arbor and swing may look like a challenging, weeks-long project, but it's not. If you can drive screws and handle a saw, you can build it in a weekend. 3. Modern-style birdhouse. Make this minimalist birdhouse on a Saturday morning, and learn some tricks to cutting and matching tough angles in the process. 4. Raised planter. This sturdy, easy-to-build planter is perfect for a vegetable garden or flower bed. It can go anywhere around your home, in the backyard, on the patio or deck, on the front porch, you name it. 5. Mixed medium garden trellis. Climbing plants like vines and roses lend a lot of charm to an ordinary garden, especially when they're winding up a trellis as stunning as this one. And its character just grows richer as the wood turns gray and the copper develops a beautiful green patina. 6. Garden closet. If you don't have room in your yard for a large, freestanding shed, you can still create plenty of space for garden tools with a shed attached to the back or side of the house. This garden closet project is easy to build, even for a beginner. 7. Patio garden pond and planter. This patio pond in a wooden container holds regular and water plants. With a paint-on rubber lining that's ultra stretchy and UV resistant, it will last for years with little maintenance. 8. Cornhole boards. This classic backyard game is easy and inexpensive to make yourself. And with legs that fold up, it's easy to tote along for tailgating, camping and more. 9. Pedestal picnic table. If you'd like a more refined picnic table, one that will fit right in at a dinner party for adults or an afternoon barbecue with the kids, here's the design for you. The craftsman style is timeless, and no one has to sit with a table leg in their way. 10. Stripped down window planter. This window box planter is so easy to make, it's all curves and circles. The ingenious design, besides being easy to build, also means it resists rot far better than traditional window boxes. 11. Planter trellis combo. Create a living privacy screen. These plans feature a simple planter and trellis planter made with bamboo. You can do it in a weekend for about $100. 12. Stone top patio table. This little DIY outdoor furniture patio table fits neatly into the smallest of backyards and will hold your drinks, your latest vacation reading or even a delicious snack. It takes only about 3 hours from start to finish, and you only need basic tools and a miter saw to get the job done. Your choice of tile top will dictate the price. The table shown here costs less than $30 to build, but there are a wide variety to choose from for the top, including slate, granite, limestone, marble or decorative tile. Prices for these materials range from $5 to $20 plus. Good skills with driving screws are required for this project, including using a countersink. 13. Classic wooden cart. If you enjoy gardening but not making multiple trips to collect tools, fertilizer, flats of plants, mulch, a garden hose and a weed bucket, you'll love this simple cart. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, but it works like a heavyweight. 14. Tiered plant stand. Show off your gardening skills with this simple multi-level plant stand. It's easy to build from 7 to 8 feet long 1x2s. In just one morning, you can build this handsome, durable plant stand, perfect for indoor use or outside on a deck or patio. 15. Add interest with a garden arbor. This timber garden arbor can be your place to get away for a quiet retreat or a nook to chat with friends. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.